Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg over easy. First, let's prepare our cooking surface. Grab an 8 to 10-inch non-stick skillet, which is ideal for 1 or 2 eggs. Place it over medium-low heat, allowing it to warm up gently. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil, swirling it to evenly coat the pan's bottom. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Crack each egg into a small bowl first. This helps ensure no shell bits get into your pan and allows for a controlled pour. Gently slide the egg into your warm, buttered skillet. Let it cook undisturbed for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, or until the whites are mostly set, with just a small, unset ring around the yolk. The flip is often the trickiest part, but you've got this. Wait until the egg whites are mostly opaque, with only a small, clear area remaining near the yolk. Carefully slide a thin, wide spatula completely under the egg, centering it beneath the yolk. Then, with a quick, confident, and gentle motion, flip the egg over, keeping the spatula close to the pan to prevent breaking the yolk. After flipping, cook the egg for just 15 to 30 seconds on the second side. The goal is fully set whites with a perfectly runny, liquid yolk. Once achieved, gently slide your over-easy egg onto a plate. Season with a pinch of salt and a grind of fresh pepper. Serve immediately, perhaps with some warm toast to soak up that delicious, golden yolk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.